Welcome back. So in the previous video we have talked about creating the virtual machine. So we have created a virtual machine named SC300 VM16 under this particular subscription that we have under this resource group. So this is what we have done in the previous video, and coming to this video we'll be creating Key Vault. So let's go ahead to the search bar and search for Key Vault. So you can see here there's a Key Vault. So you can do it this way, or you can go to the starting homepage, or you can create a resource here. So if we create a resource here, we can search for Key Vault, and you can see we have got a Key Vault here. So you can click either way. So you can search from here, or you can go from here as well. So let's click the Key Vault. So we have Key Vault here. You can read the description if you want, the overview of Key Vault, and the plans, usage information, and reviews as well. But in this case, I'll just go ahead and create this Key Vault. So when you create this Key Vault, you can see we have the relevant subscription for this, and let's add the resource group that we have created before, which is Key Vault resource group. Yeah, this is the one. And so coming to the name of the group, let me add the name of the group. So this is the name of the group, and this is the resource group belonging to that. The name SC300 is already in use or still received by Vault, which is previously soft delete. Please use a different one. Okay, so I'll just add one here. So I'll add one more zero, that should be fine. So we have added this SC300 Key Vault, and let's the region be East US, and let's keep everything is the same. You can review the other one, but right now we'll just go ahead and create this particular Key Vault. So you can review the options here, and once you review this, you can just go ahead and review and create. So let's create that. So it's in the deployment phase. Let's wait for it to be done. So it has been completed. Let's go to the resources. So we have successfully created this particular Key Vault. So we just added extra 0 because we are getting an error. So we just to make unique, we just added one more 0 for this. So we have successfully created the Key Vault. In the next video, we'll be talking about creating a secret. So I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video, and I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.